Let's do what's in my bag kasi wala akong magawa eh. It's from brand Moss dun. It's very nice. Look. And let us see kung ano laman ng bag ng isang iska. Kala mo nag-aaral. Kaya sa week lang pasok ko, guys. I have my wakuko over here. It also has this kind of detail, oh. And then I also have my clip from my mom. This is such an essential. Thank you sa mga taxpayer ng buong Pilipinas para sa pagpaprovide ng patient ko. Kapong ka. Laman niya ng bag ko, guys. So, it has like the main compartment. It also has this zippered compartment and yung parang easy access na pack. Dito, ang laman niya is may sunscreen, may Dentifric na mouth spray, supply na bigay ni Mariel, and then I have my, tawag ito? Lash curler. Uy, I love this so much. Nasabi ko na ba sa'yo kung gano'n ko ito mahal na mahal? Maliit na compartment, I have my napkin and then my medications, tsaka may band-aid ako to. Ang tawag dito? Ballpen. Lipstick ako na from Sis Lady. Tapos, asanis ka, feel ko di ka papapasukin pag wala kang dog food. Yes, meron akong hair band din. Then, may alcohol ako. Meron din akong tissue. Meron yung mga electronic devices. AirPods. Tapos, power bank. Of course, may fan from This to Life. I also have my notebooks. Then, my phone from Bench. Then, makeup pouch. Cycle to. Nakuha ko lang din sa, sa Entrep Fair. Meron ako nung lip plumber from Maybelline. Lip click from Dazzle Me. Another lash curler. Lupit mo talaga, Risbihag. Then, blush. Then, eyebrow, kineme. Then, from Vice Cosmetics, I love this one. Parang white liner. Then, yung newest na fireworks, I love this so much. Yung, cushion kineme ko from Jimelan. Also, ito, it's like less than 600 or super nice niya talaga. Kasi akong bag na ganito rin. Tapos parang, pag tuwing na marami akong nalalagay sa kanya, feeling ko mapipigtas siya. Ito hindi. Wala akong feeling na mapipigtas siya for some reason. And guys, last may wallet. Gusto kailangan ko na magpalit ng wallet. Diba gusto yung lalabas? Yung CLN.
Oo, nakita ko.
Gusto ko silver yung hardware niya kasi silver girly ako. Yung end cards, cash, then I have my coins here. I love this wallet so much. Bye.